para sa mga bakla at lesbiana sa Los Angeles, California. Ang oras ng buong tapang na paglaladlad. Sa isang makasaysayang Pride March. Dito sila ang bida, anuman ang kanilang lahi o kulay ng balat. Pati ang mga may dugong Pinoy, ipinagdiriwang ang kalayaang sa ngayon, hindi nila matagpuan sa Pilipinas. Ang karapatang maikasal sa taong kapareho nila ng kasarian. Sa isang bahay, nagtipon-tipon ang mga PhilAms at immigrants bago sumama sa Gay Pride March.
Go! David! He's right there.
Dito kasama nila ang mga Asyano at iba pang mga lahi. Ang mga Pinoy na nakaranas maging bakla sa Pilipinas bago mag-migrate sa Amerika, hindi maiwasang maikumpara ang kalagayan nila sa Tate at sa Pinas.
Mas free dito, mas less yung prejudice, so parang mas nakakagalaw kami more, mas nakakapag-express kami more.
Si Ben, bagong immigrant sa Amerika. Kwento niya, sa Pilipinas, hindi siya nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob na sabihin sa kanyang ama na siya'y isang bakla. Napagpasyahan niyang ngayon ang tamang oras para mag-out.
This is a good way for me to come out. So parang nanonood siya, parang, hi daddy, I'm gay.
Ang hindi masabi ng derechahan sa ama, sana raw maiparating ng aming programa.
Hopefully sana maging accepting siya. Sorry kung hindi kami nakapag-usap ng masinsinan about kung sino ako. Pero at the same time, you know, ito pa rin yung anak niya. Hindi, walang pinagbago. Ako pa rin yung anak na pinalaki niya. And it doesn't mean na pag bakla ako mag-iiba na yung buhay namin. And I can tell him right now na like si mommy, alam niya, yung mga kapatid ko alam. And they're okay with it. And I'm blessed na I have a family na accepting sila kung sino. At tinatanggap nila kung sino ako. So hopefully, siya rin.
Talk of the town ngayon ang same-sex marriage. Noong isang buwan lang, pinayagan na ito ng Korte Suprema ng California.
Taon-taon naman ginagawa tong Gay Pride Parade, pero sabi nila mas masaya ngayong taon na to dahil pinayagan na ng Korte Suprema nila yung pagpapakasal ng dalawang taong pareho ang kasarian.
It goes beyond the marriage for me personally. It's more of like equality. Equality because my brothers and sisters, they can marry, but how come I can't marry? And finally we have that freedom to marry. I haven't really thought about it. It's like switching, turning on the light. It's like a switch. Suddenly it's on, and now that it's on, I'm like, now what? You know, so at least we have that choice. Yeah, and you know, maybe someday, if I find the right partner, you know, that might happen to me too. Yeah.
Why is this day important to you?
Because I'm proud of being who I am. You know, a long time ago I was very peaceful. I was very closed-minded. I was in the closet, but as I got older, I learned to accept myself. And be who I am. You know, this is me.
Ang pakikipaglaban para sila'y matanggap, ang pangunahing dahilan ng Gay Pride March. Dito, sama-sama ang mga bakla at lesbiana mula sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. May kani-kaniyang paraan ng pagpapahayag ng kanilang mensahe. Kahit dito pala, kapag nagsama-sama ang mga bakla at lesbyana, parang fiesta. Siyempre, ang inabangan ko, ang pagrampa ng mga Pilipino. Partikin pa lang ito ng ninanamnam na tagumpay ng mga bakla at lesbyana sa California dahil nabigyan na sila ng karapatan na makaisang dibdib ang taong gusto nilang makasama habang buhay.
This is our bedroom. Hello! It's like a reality show. Kadiri!
Ngayong ika-6 ng Hulyo, sama-sama nating suriin ang mga dahilan sa patuloy na pagdami ng mga sikmurang kumakalam. Samahan si Vicky Morales, Jay Taruk, Jiggy Manica at Marky Shello mula Luzon hanggang Mindanao.
Meron po tayong sapat na supply na bigas.
Hindi na natin pwede deny na may krisis.
Hanggang Timog Silangang Asya'y pagkakaiba ba sila sa hinaharap nating problema? Alam, July 6, pagkatapos ng Full House.
Your lover doesn't treat you right for 2 years, go ahead and get a fag, especially on gay pride!
Kapag gabi sa Santa Monica Boulevard sa LA,
Never say that you can't, you ain't too clever. Don't hesitate off a crack.
kahit saan ka tumingin,
No Joneses, no buying friends, throw away money, eliminate tears.
ito ang tatambad sa'yo.
Rules for calculated steps. At times you stumble to
Nung una, nanibago ako. Dahil hindi ka pala nakasisigurong ang mga astang lalaki, lalaki talaga. Ang mga babaeng akala mo'y magkakabarkada lang, hindi pala. Sa lugar na ito, para bang bukas na libro ang buhay ng mga tao. Samot-saring kwento nga ang nasagap ko. Si Eduardo walang kaabog-abog na ikinuwento ang naunsyaming pag-ibig sa isang dayuhang hindi pa handang magladlad.
Everybody else has the rights except for us. Everybody, like every straight person can go out there and in any other country and can fall in love, get married, and bring somebody into this country that they love. And for my family, yet I can't because I'm homosexual.
Ang mga tambay rito, hindi nahihiyang magpakita ng emosyon.
I met him tonight, but I hope to know more of him, you know?
You plan to, get married someday? I heard that it's now legal to get married here.
That's Russian. I'm sorry.
What?
You know what? But now you know what? I could add one more later. Is it marriage material? We'll see. This camera is shine. Good night, guys. Love you.
Ang desisyon ng Korte Suprema sa Amerika na payagan ang same-sex marriage, nagbigay ng pag-asa maging sa mga Pilipinong bading sa California. Gaya ni Thage, stand-up comedian na nakilala ko sa isang comedy bar sa San Francisco.
Mas panalo. Ngayon, di na. Oh, come on,
This is the house.
Tuloy lang. Ito ang bahay namin mag-asawa.
6 na taon na silang nagsasama ng kanyang partner, isang Brazilian-American.
This is our bedroom. Yung mga paintings ko galing kay Dandrev.
Oo, binili ko sa kanya yung mga paintings niyan. Pagdating sa mga color scheme, ako ang naasahan niya kasi medyo, syempre mas ako yung bakla, di ba? This is my bathroom. Ayan.
Talagang ano eh, no? Kumbaga parang ito ay pangmatagalan.
Ang iniisip namin habang magkasama kami, you know. Kasi kung iisipin mo kung tatagal ba kami or hindi, alam mo, ayun ang pinakamahirap isipin ng bading. May crush siya, maayos, di ba? Dapat gusto ko girl talaga, gusto ko maayos.
Oo nga, ba't ang ayos-ayos ng bahay mo?
Oo, kasi naiiyak ako sa kanya dahil syempre ibang lahi yung kasama ko. Gusto ko manurture niya yung kultura ng Pilipino na, ganito kami, mahilig kami maglinis, mahilig kami magluto, ayan. Hello! It's like a reality show. No, I'm watching. Oh, this is my husband, Steve, you know.
Hi.
Finally, now you met him. He's smaller than me, but his heart is bigger than anybody else.
Wow.
Very sweet.
Kadiri!
Ipinagmalaki ni Tage sa aking maayos ang kita ni Steve bilang isang massage therapist.
Actually, mas natuwa ang mami ko na hindi nga Filipino ang karelasyon ko. Kasi ano dun pa rin yung mentality na balikan natin yung mentality uli sa Pilipinas na ay nako, gagamitin ka lang yan. O ay nako, kakwartahan ka lang yan.
That's an invitation to an art exhibition I had at the college.
Artist din si Steve.
You can see it. And most days are really big, like the size of that one there. They're mostly about that size. This is one of my favorites. That is Jimi Hendrix. And I made that in '96. And then the watercolor is the color in the background.
Sa ngayon, kinikilala ng pamahalaan ang kanilang relasyon bilang domestic partners. Sa ilalim ng domestic partnership, nabibigyan ng karapatan ang gay couple na tulad ng isang babae at lalaking mag-asawa. Kasunduan din itong may responsibilidad sila sa isa't isa.
I met Tage at a club in the city in San Francisco. We kind of joke about it because we say that I kidnapped her because once I met her, I was captivated and I was infatuated with Tage.
I think at first, you knew that I was a girl.
I don't know exactly what. I don't think there was a whole lot going through my mind. I just saw you and I was immediately attracted to you. I don't know. I don't recall if I really processed that in my brain, you know. Is this person, you know.
Or a man or a woman, you know.
But I felt there was something unique about you. But just something, her aura, something about her energy was really attractive
Ako, para
to
yan
me.
ang mahuhula nito. Aura energy. Madam Rosa, aura energy.
Ang kulang na lang sa kanilang relasyon ay ang salitang kasal. At ngayong legal na ito, magpapakasal sina Tage at Steve at nangangarap na ring magbuo ng sariling pamilya.
I want to have a family. We want to adopt children at some point. We need to be a little bit more financially secure, a little more stable before we can.
That's our goal. That's our goal, you know.
You know, we even joke with each other a little bit about finding a surrogate mother or something like that.
Yeah.
Which
But Papa, you know, I don't
guess-
find it as a joke, you know. I was really thinking because the last time I checked my OB-GYN, you know, wala siyang nahanap eh. Wala. They can take a shot from you while you're eating lobster. As housewives of this relationship, you know, I have to prepare food for you and stuff like that. So just eat ka lang, okay? Walang maarty. Okay. I love this piece. This is Vera Wang. Diba ang ganda? Diba? Pag sinuot ko to para ako si Galantria na Lord of the Rings.
Abala na sina Tage at Steve sa pagpaplano para sa kasal. Sa araw na ito, wedding cake ang hanap nila.
I love this. So, what do you want? For the design. Let's start for the design.
There was one I liked back there.
Ilang buwan bago ko i-order to?
Nag-accept kami normally a month before.
Before ko siya
Pero
order.
kung talagang medyo rush na yung order mo, nakaka-accept din kami within 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Yung tungkol dun sa cake tops na parehong lalaki sa lalaki, we can customize that, di ba?
Kumbaga ang normal namin is girl and boy.
Siguro yung lalaki nakaputi. Nakaputi na tuxedo yung babae, lalaki. Yung talagang siya nakaitim. Parang ganon. Oo, para significance lang na papa-customize ko talaga.
Parang tuxedo, but yung isa naka-white, yung isa naka-black?
Oo, naka-black.
Yun ang gusto mo.
Yun ang gusto ko. Kesa naman na naka-gown. Kasi hindi mo naman ma-figure out sa figurines yung transgender eh. Di ba? Yung transsexual, wala rin naman, di ba? Wow! Opening the car! It's not a wedding yet.
Sumunod, ipinakita ni Tage sa akin ang kanyang wedding gown.
I love this piece. This is a Vera Wang.
Dress?
Yes, a Vera Wang gowns. Diba ang ganda? Diba? Pag sinuot ko to para ako si Galantria na Lord of the Ring.
Bakit? Why the color?
Because I'm not a woman. I'm not, hindi ako babae. Diba? Gusto ko ng, pero representing ng tao ako. So, I want flesh. Beige. Gusto ko yun. Tapos lahat ng bisita ko naka-white.
Yun ang i-request mo?
Yun ang re-request ko. Sinabi ko na sa invitation. Na ipapasa ko sa kanila. Gusto ko, nakaputi silang lahat.
Narito ako ngayon sa Castro. Ito yung tinatawag na gay district dito sa San Francisco. Ang nakikita nyo sa likuran ko, yung mga flag na merong rainbow na kulay. Ito yung simbolo na proud yung mga bakla at lesbiana sa kanilang kasarian dito sa San Francisco.
Dito, bukas na bukas ang isipan ng mga tao sa relasyon ng magkaparehong kasarian. Napaisip ako kung pwede kayang mangyari ang ganito sa Pilipinas sa hinaharap. Kung ang katolikong bansa tulad ng Espanya, ginawa na ring legal ang same-sex marriage, bakit daw sa Pilipinas hindi ito matanggap? Walang makapagsabi, pero ang sigurado sa ngayon, malayong-malayo ang Pilipinas sa pagtanggap na ipinapakita ng California sa mga bakla at lesbiana. Sa City Hall ng San Francisco, nasaksihan ko rin ang pagdiriwang na Independence Day ng Pilipinas noong June 12. Dito nagkaroon ako ng pagkakataong makausap si San Francisco Mayor Gavin Newsom, isa sa mga masugid na sumusuporta sa gay marriage.
Why is your administration supportive of gay marriage?
Well, I support equality of marriage for the same reason that the United States supported ultimately the recognition that people of different races should be afforded the opportunity to marry. You got to remember, in the United States of America, in the year of my birth, we denied Filipino Americans from marrying Caucasian Americans. We denied different races. We, of course, look at that as ridiculous and outrageous today. I know good people disagree on this, but for the grace of God, someone falls in love with someone of the same sex. The grace of God. And in that respect, we need to recognize fully that we're all equal in God's eyes. We're all equal as human beings. And there's one final point. The Constitution in the state of California doesn't allow us to discriminate against people based upon their sexual orientation.
Pagkalipas ng ilang araw, sa loob mismo ng San Francisco City Hall, Ikinasal ni Mayor Newsom ang pinakaunang gay couple na nagparehistro matapos gawing legal ng Supreme Court ang same-sex marriage.
Today, we can confidently say is the first day in the state of California that we are providing marriage equally and fairly to everyone, denying no one their right and their opportunity to live their lives out loud.
Do you, Robin, take Diane to be your companion in life, your spouse, to love and honor and cherish her?
I do.
I now pronounce you spouses for life in the sight of God, the Jewish community, and all people. And I ask a moment of presence, of blessing upon your marriage and upon your home.
Sa siyudad ng Los Angeles, nalalapit na rin ang kasal ni Mia, isang Pinay na matagal nang naninirahan sa Amerika. Ang kanyang mapapangasawa, ang Amerikanang si Kathleen. 7 taon na silang magkarelasyon. Meron na rin silang domestic partnership agreement at nagkaroon pa nga ng commitment ceremony. Pero para sa dalawa, iba pa rin ang makasal at kilalaning legal na magkabiyak.
Definitely we share the same values and we share the same spiritual path, and we're thrilled that the marriage is now going to be legal, because now like as a Filipino, I guess it's very important for that institutional part of in society. Everybody grows up and you have to go to somebody's wedding. It's kind of like a cemented, it's now you're part of the community, now you're a team, or you're in a partnership, part of the community.
Ipinakita nila sa akin ang Unitarian Universalist Church kung saan gagawin ang kasal.
It's just a continuing commitment to each other to be able to be married, because we've been practically just the old married couple, but being but like marrying in a church with like a real wedding with a real marriage license,
with a real minister, yeah,
it would be like it would feel really real.
Sa desisyon ng Supreme Court sa California, sinabi nitong ang pag-aasawa ay isang basic civil right, kaya hindi dapat ipagkait sa mga bakla at lesbiana. Kasama sa pagkilalang ito ang lahat ng karapatan at obligasyong kakabit ng pagiging legal na mag-asawa.
Well, it's essentially the same benefits that straight couples have. It's essentially the same thing. So it's the same benefits, the benefits of being able to make a decision for your partner, for example, kung ma-hospital ba naman yung partner mo, or the same marriage benefits in terms of being able to file joint taxes in the state of California, and just that recognition that you're equal partners in the eyes of the law.
Ang magandang balita para sa gay community ng California, tila bangungot naman para kay Father Noel Laput, Associate Pastor ng St. Patrick's Church sa downtown San Francisco.
Parang definition kasi ng marriage na para bang yung state na tuloy ngayon ang magde-define kung ano ang marriage, when in fact it is not. It's a community or humanity. Ang Diyos mismo ang nag-define ng marriage na ang lalaki at babae. Hindi yung state ang magde-define out of political correctness or political contingency.
Para kay Father Noel, sapat na ang legal na proteksyon na natatanggap ng mga gay couple sa California.
Dito sa state of California, meron namang laws na tinatawag natin for domestic partnership or domestic union, same-sex yung union na yun. But to go into that area as sacred as marriage and redefine it is not in the territory of the state or ito pa nga mga judges at mga politicians to decide.
Homosexual or bisexual love, okay, is evil, is perverted, and is cursed by God.
Pero hindi nawawalan ng pag-asa ang mga tutol sa gay marriage sa California. Sa Nobyembre kasi, nakatakdang magkaroon ng isang referendum kung saan pagbobotohan ng taong bayan ang pag-aamyenda sa kanilang konstitusyon para linawin na ang marriage o kasal ay para sa babae at lalaki lamang. Sa ganitong paraan ay maaaring mabaliktad ang desisyon ng Korte Suprema.
Kaya pagdating sa botohan, like nung nangyari ng 2000, 61% voted for the traditional definition of marriage. So hopefully that will be higher come November.
Barangay, the Gay Filipino Association.
Pero sa labang ito, walang balak sumuko ang mga miyembro ng gay community.
Between now and November, certainly, marami kaming community outreach na pupuntahan kung saan-saan para to give out our message. It looks like the momentum is there's about pretty equal support. In fact, it's tipped over in support of gay marriage dito sa California. So we're really hopeful na the people will vote and they will say that it's we have the same equal rights and human rights as our fellow heterosexual counterparts.
You have declared yourself to be married.
Dumating na ang araw na pinakahihintay ni Mia at Kathleen. Sa Unitarian Universalist Church sa Pasadena, California, kasama ang kanilang pamilya at mga kaibigan. Nangako ang dalawa na magmamahala ng wagas.
You have declared yourself to be married.
Sa harap ng Diyos, ng pamahalaan ng California at ng kanilang mga mahal sa buhay, sila na ngayon legal na mag-asawa.
I have not ever met any person who has been as loving and generous and kind and supportive and unconditional as I have met with Mia.
Well, that's how Filipinos love, It's like real.
Okay. Well, I didn't know what love was until I met her.
Gaya ni Mia, sigurado na rin si Tage na harapin ang isa na namang kabanata sa kanyang buhay. Kasama si Steve na pinili niyang makasama sa hirap man o ginhawa.
For Stevie, thank you for loving me. Thank you for taking care of me. Thank you for showing them your feeling beyond your being a person as a man who's supposed to be with a woman, but now you are with a woman without a woo. Thank you so much. Because I think hindi na ako makakahanap pa ng ganitong klaseng lalaki, bumamahal sa akin.
You've transformed my life into a greater appreciation for what love is and what love can be. More than any other person that I've ever been in a relationship with, you've made a profound change in my life. I think most of it has to do with just your being free spirit and your heart, and that stands out for me. And you're also very sexy.
Thank you. Ay, nako. Ano ba yan? Haba ng hair ko.
Hey.
everything that you do.
Ako po si Sandra Aguinaldo at ito ang Eyewitness.
Hey, why don't you get off of there?
It's okay.
No, I don't want you to get hurt.
No, I'm not. Duwasan kasi ako. I'm half Filipino and half Filipina.